Okay, for number 1, they say his boat is traveling downstream at the rate of 15 kilometers an hour, and it goes upstream at the rate of 7 kilometers an hour. And they're asking us what the rate of the current is. So again, we're going to make our table, right? So it's distance equals rate times time. Right, so there's our table. And this one is, we'll call this one upstream, and this one downstream, right? And I didn't leave enough room there, but that's upstream and downstream. So it travels downstream at the rate of 15 kilometers. So 15 is the distance. 15 kilometers in 1 hour. And upstream it goes 7 kilometers, distance of 7 kilometers in 1 hour, right? Distance and time. Now remember, the rate is comprised of two things. It's comprised of the current and the speed of the boat in still water. So we'll say that going downstream, we have the boat speed, and then the current is pushing it along, so plus the current. And the boat speed is the boat in still water, right? And then going upstream, we have the boat speed, but then the current is pushing against it. It's slowing it down, right? So we take B minus C. So now we have our two equations right across the top, right? That's why we put this up here, right? So our first equation is 7 equals B minus C times 1, right? And the second equation, the downstream, is 15 equals B plus C times 1, right? So there's our system. So we can simplify this. We get 7 equals B minus C, and 15 equals B plus C. And I think for this one, elimination is going to be the easiest. We can add the two. So we get 7 plus 15 is 22. 22. B plus B is 2B. And C cancels, right? So we divide by 2. And we get 11 equals B. So the speed of the boat in still water is 11 kilometers per hour. But they asked us for the current. So we have to come up to one of these two equations. I don't know, this one looks pretty easy, right? So I'm going to use that one. So I have 15 equals B, which is 11, plus C, right? So 4 equals C. So the current is 4. So the current is traveling at 4 kilometers per hour. And if they asked us for the boat speed in still water, it would be this one down here, the 11 kilometers per hour.